Adlaw mga higala, I'm Mitch and for today, we will be doing cinnamon roll. Okay? So since New Year na, 2021, ulitin na natin. Gawin naman natin tinapay ang ating gagawin. Okay? So for the ingredients, I have here all-purpose flour, instant yeast. I use Baker's Dream sa Global Pacific. And then 1 piece egg, Conaprol milk, I have salt, butter, sugar. That's for your bread, okay? And then for the filling later, I have Swiss Valley cream cheese, butter, confectioner sugar, all-purpose cream, of course, your cinnamon powder, your choco chips, and your walnuts, okay? So let's start first with the bread. Later na tong palaman. So, in your mixing bowl, if you have mixer, use paddle attachment. Put your milk, instant yeast, your sugar, your egg, mix mo muna yan para mahalo. Mix mo muna mahalo. Tapos si salt, ilagay mo sa flour bago mo siya i-dump sa bowl. Okay. Mix muna natin to mga 5 minutes and then lagay natin si butter. Okay? Yan. So, this time, lagay natin si butter. If you notice, nagfo-form na siya ng dough. Okay. So, continue mixing until mag-smooth. So, later, we will do the window pane test. Yan, so let's check our dough. Medyo smooth na. Okay? Kuha ka konti, mag-window pane test tayo. Okay? Kuha ka konti, tapos anuhan mo ng harina. Yan. Meaning, na-develop na natin yung gluten. Okay? If medyo madali pa maputol, then ulit, okay? Kulang pa, okay? Basta kailangan, nandyan yan, no? Okay? Kita na. Gets? So, easy lang si tinapay. Tanggalin natin to. Then, roll natin into ball. Then, after that, pa-rest natin about 30 minutes to 1 hour or at least mag-double yung volume niya. Dodoble siya. Okay? Okay? Ay, sorry. Form natin into ball, konti. Okay. And then, pa-rest natin to hanggang magdoble. Lagyan ko konting oil para hindi siya magdikit mamaya or mag-dry. Pa-rest natin until mag-double si dough. Okay? Balikan natin to later. So, after mga, 35 minutes. Okay? Obvious naman, diba? Na nag-double. Okay. So, let's get the dough. And then, by the way, clean your table. Clean mo si table. Dust konti ng harina. Okay. And then, dito natin lagay si dough. ang smooth. Use your rolling pin. We need rectangular shape na dough. So, I have here, sorry guys, I forgot kanina. Kailangan nyo pala ng brown sugar, raisins, and extra butter. Okay? Patawad. Lagay ka konti. This one is up to you ha, kung gaano kadami. But for me, yung enough lang para hindi siya masyadong maraming fat. Then, paglaruan mo na yung nuts. If you want pecans, go ahead. But for me, I want walnuts. So, after the butter, pwede mo lagay si brown sugar. Yung iba, minimix nila dito sa brown sugar si cinnamon. But for me, gusto ko separate. Gusto ko maraming cinnamon. Tapos konting brown sugar. If you find the cinnamon too expensive, kontian nyo lang. Okay? Mix nyo siya sa brown sugar. And then, raisins. Yung iba ayaw na ng raisins. Mag-raisins kayo. Kung ayaw nyo ng raisins, my kids wants this one, choco chips. And then, nuts. Ubusin natin si raisins. And then after that, roll mo siya. I'm sorry, ang dumi ng kamay. Ganon. Okay? We need dough cutter. Yung style ko, kasi syempre homemade naman, 'di ba? I use this one. Parang tansya. Okay. Pangit naman ng cutter ko. Palitan natin. Baka mas maganda yung plastic. After this one, patubo mo ulit for around 20 minutes and then bake for 15 to 20 minutes more. So I have here, pwede mo tag-isa-isa, single na cinnamon, or ako, I'm using round pan. Nilagyan ko siya ng shortening ha. So, for example, yan, dyan yan. Huwag masyadong dikit. Lagyan mo ng space. Yan. Didikit yan mamaya pag tubo. So, isang 9-inch, and then yung iba, gawin natin single. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, pwede mo to pagdikit masyado, like lagyan mo pa ng isa or dalawa. But what will happen, ipupush niya. So, pwede tong lagyan natin ng isa, but not na dalawa. Okay. Palitan natin tong isa, kasi ayoko nung last part. For me, yung last part is pang free taste. Okay? Patubo natin to around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? So guys, after 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, yan, dikit-dikit na siya. 'Di ba? Kanina hindi yan magkadikit. Si cinnamon roll. So, ready to bake na to. Bake this one mga 15 to 20 minutes until light brown in color. 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yung init ng oven natin. Okay? So, pa-bake natin yan, and then let's do the frosting. The cream cheese, butter, your cream, and your confectioner sugar. Just mix everything, okay? Sa mixer. So, your cream cheese. I'm using, sorry, that's the mozzarella. Then the cream, just mix all of the ingredients. Bakit ang ingay sa labas? Butter and your confectioner sugar. Bakit ang ingay sa labas? Parang walang COVID. Mix lang natin to until smooth. And then yan yung ilalagay natin on top sa cinnamon. So, guys, it's baked already. If you notice, medyo white konti yung cinnamon ko. Okay? Kasi, after mga 15 minutes, hininaan ko yung apoy. I don't like yung very brown cinnamon roll. Okay? And then, put the frosting on top. Mas gusto ko siya yung medyo mainit pa si bread. Para mag-sink in yung ibang frosting. And then, I have here ready-made na caramel. Pwede mo lagyan ng caramel or drizzle ng caramel or pwede rin berries na ganache. Okay? And then, you can sprinkle again nuts on top. And some choco chips. Okay, so that's your cinnamon roll. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you, by the way, to all our subscribers from 2020. So, nag-start kami nung COVID lang. Happy New Year, everyone! Enjoy baking!